Hello everyone, welcome to SRC booth. This year we create a new style of our sport line. Our ST line, we start from a polymer handguard and polymer receiver, but inside they are all professional gearbox. And we create these lines we already sell for 2 years, and this year we create new handguards and there will be new stocks in the market. So let's start from this one. Everybody knows our Mamba series is quite a hit to the market. Now we're going to create this is new style. It's extension idea of Mamba. And now let's go to some XM8. It's like XM8 is like a unicorn gun. Everybody hear about it. We can see it in the video games, in the movies, but no one sees the real guns. And we created the Airsoft. This is a short version of XM8. We create a converter here. You can quick change the stocks. Basically, it fits all MP5 stocks, like this. You retrieve the pins and pull out. I can pull on all the stocks from MP5. And over here, these are new revolvers. We will launch 6mm first, and after June or July, we will release 4.5mm. And these are our SR92. We create new models, and this is a silencer version. This set comes with a silencer, and you can retreat it and put it up. Once you put on the silencer, it gives you bonus 5 to 10 velocity at once. And also, excuse me, sorry.
CNG had their knife. Yeah. Yes. It was nice.
We have golden V12, and this is a limited edition. And we also create a shorter version of V1911. This is V10. The shorter one, very suitable for your cases.
Rapporteringen presenteras i samarbete med Wise Guy, Röda Stjärnan, Tactical Store och Malmö Airsoft Terräng Malmö.